I think for me what was most striking was finding out the variability that exists across the country in how we have invested in these roles, whether clinical nurse specialists or nurse practitioners. The incredible variability in how many we are using, how we are defining their roles, and the kinds of processes we've gone through to argue and fight for the implementation of the roles. I think that one of the things that we really need, that was an aha moment for me, was the need to be working together to come to some agreements on standardization, to come to a consensus on the approaches we're going to take in going forward. I think we need to have this group as well as some additional stakeholders brought together again, probably over a series of sessions where we can come to some of those consensus decisions. We talked about it in terms of the academic preparation, because again, we're all over the map in terms of some of the curricula issues for preparation of nurse practitioners and for clinical nurse specialists. We're also all over the map in terms of how we're using the roles. And I think that if we could bring people together, we would be able to learn from each other's strengths and see what are the best ways to look at a health human resource plan for advanced practice nurses in this country that is more strategic, that is more focused, and that would really allow us to ask the questions of how many of these people, advanced practice nurses, do we need in what situations and in what dosing? For me, that's really the critical question, is for advanced practice nurses as well as some other health professionals. Who do we need to fulfill the healthcare problems, the gaps that we are all very well aware of? How many of them in what dosing to meet which health population needs?